So good morning children. So last class we have discussed two types of periodic law. Okay, one is Darbonia triads. Next one Newland's law of Octavius. Okay, so the two laws based on what ma? They have arranged the elements in the increasing order of their atomic masses. Atomic mass. So atomic mass is nothing but what ma? Mass number. Okay, so next one, third one, Mendeleev periodic table. Mendeleev periodic table. So in the year of 1869, Russian chemist Dmitry Mendeleev. Okay, so he has arranged using his periodicity. At that time he knows only 56 elements. Okay, 56 elements. Okay, 56 element he has arranged in what order? Increasing order of the year. Increasing order of atomic masses. Okay, so Russian chemist, okay, Dmitry Mendeleev, okay, so in the year of 1869, okay, using his periodicity. So periodicity means what ma? Regular intervals. Okay, he has arranged all the elements based on what order? Increasing order of the atomic masses. Okay, so according to his law or according to his statement, okay, so Mendeleev periodic law is nothing but what ma? The physical and chemical properties of the element based on their atomic masses. Okay, the physical and chemical properties of the elements are the periodic function of their atomic masses. Okay, so this law is nothing but what ma? Mendeleev's periodic law or Mendeleev periodic statement. Okay, so next one, the merits of, okay, or features of Mendeleev periodic table. Features or merits of what ma? Mendeleev's periodic table. So first point, merits or features. Features of periodic table. Okay, first one, okay, he has arranged the periodic table, okay, or he has divided into the periodic table what ma? Groups and periods. Okay, groups and periods. Okay, group is nothing but what ma? Vertical lines are called groups. Okay, vertical lines are called groups. Okay, total how many groups are there ma? 8 groups are there in Mendeleev periodic table. Okay, vertical lines. Okay, vertical lines means this lines. Okay, so periods is nothing but what ma? 7 horizontal rows are called. Okay, horizontal rows. 7 horizontal rows are called periods. Okay, so second point, again he has divided group into A and B. Okay, so which one ma? Again group he has divided into A and B. Okay, so third one, okay, so which two elements has the same physical properties and chemical properties? Okay, he put it into the same groups. Okay, that is the third one. Okay, third one, same properties. Okay, so fourth one, okay, fourth one what ma? So some of the scientists found the atomic masses of beryllium is 14. Okay, atomic masses of beryllium is what ma? 14. Okay, but Mendeleev, okay, he has reassessed the atomic mass of beryllium is 9. Okay, 9. Okay, so again he put it into the proper order of what ma? Beryllium. Okay, fifth one, he left few columns, okay, at the end of the groups. Okay, at the end of the groups. Okay, this idea, okay, young scientist look the modern periodic table. Which one ma? Mendeleev periodic table. Okay. So he has left some boxes like groups or periods. Okay. So we may find any new elements, we put it into the box. Okay. So they got motivation from the Mendeleev periodic table. Okay. So sixth one. Okay. So sixth one. Okay. Sixth one, some columns and rows are left in the periodic table. Okay. So sixth one. Okay. So he has arranged the elements in what order? Atomic masses in increasing order. Okay. These are all the features of what ma? Mendeleev periodic table. Okay. Next one, what are the demerits? What are the demerits? Okay, demerits means what ma? Disadvantages of the Mendeleev periodic table. Okay, so first points, demerits. Demerits. Okay, first point. Okay, so he has arranged soft metal into the hard metal area, hard metal into the soft metal area. Okay, the soft and hard metals. Soft and hard metals he didn't segregate properly. Okay, that is the first point. Okay, second point, no proper place for what ma? Hydrogen. Hydrogen is a non-metal element. Okay, non-metal element, but he has arranged in where? Metal side. Okay, metal side. Okay, that is the second point. Third one, okay, he didn't follow what ma? The increasing order of the atomic masses what not strictly followed. Okay, that is the third point. Okay, atomic masses, that category, atomic masses, that criteria he didn't follow properly. Okay, the fourth point, no place for what ma? Isotopes in the periodic table. Okay, isotopes, no place for in the isotopes in the periodic table. Okay, so these are all the demerits of what ma? Mendeleev periodic table. Okay, so next one, so this table is nothing but what ma? Short form of periodic table. Short form of periodic table. Why it was called as the short form of the periodic table? So based on this, okay, the next scientist, okay, has modified the modern periodic table. Okay, so that it was called as what ma? Short form of the periodic table. Okay, so next one, modern periodic table. Okay, modern periodic table. Modern periodic table. Okay, so in the year of 1913, okay, English physicist, okay, Henry Moseley, HENRY MOSE, okay, MOSELEY, okay, Henry Moseley, okay, through his X-ray diffraction studies, the physical and chemical properties of the element not based on their atomic masses, it is based on what ma? Atomic number. It is based on what ma? Atomic number. It is not based on atomic masses. Okay, so this is called what law ma? Modern periodic law. Okay, modern periodic law. Okay, so it was called as what ma? Long form of the periodic table. So it was called as what ma? Long form of the periodic table. So already we know what is mean by atomic number and what is mean by mass number. Okay, so atomic number is nothing but what ma? Either the number of electrons or protons. Mass number is nothing but what ma? Number of what ma? Number of, okay, suppose if you are taking X, okay, here is that A, okay, this is called what ma? Atomic number. This is called mass number. Okay, mass number. Okay. So this law is called what law ma? Modern periodic law. Okay, so modern periodic law states that the physical and chemical properties of the elements are the periodic function of their atomic number, not in the atomic masses. Okay, so this is called what ma? Modern periodic law. Modern periodic law. Okay, next one, features of modern periodic table. Features of what ma? Modern periodic table. So based on what ma? Number of protons or electrons or neutrons, we are defining what ma? Atomic number and mass number. Okay, these informations already we have learned in the lower sections. Okay, next one, features of features of modern periodic table. So what is the special features of FEATURES? Special features of modern periodic table. Okay, so all the elements are arranged in the periodic table, increasing the order of their what ma? Atomic number. Atomic number. Atomic number. Okay, second point. Okay, the horizontal rows are called periods. Okay, the horizontal rows are called periods. Okay, there are 7 periods in the periodic table. There are 7 periods in the periodic table. Okay, PERIODES. Okay, the elements are placed in the periodic table based on the number of cells in the atoms. Okay, number of cells. Okay, so fourth point. Okay, fourth point, vertical columns are called what ma? Groups. There are 18 groups in the modern periodic table. 18 groups. Okay, so based on the physical and chemical properties of the elements, okay, the groups are divided into families. Okay, the groups are divided into families. Okay, so first one we will see. So 18 groups again, okay, divided are further named as what ma? Families. Okay, so first one, alkali metals. First one what ma? Alkali metals. Alkali metals. Second one, alkali earth metals. Alkali earth metals. Okay, so next one, this is called what ma? Group. This is called a group. Okay, group 1 alkali metals, group 2 alkali earth metals. Okay, group 3 to 12, group 3 to 12. Okay, transition metals. Transition TRANSITION, transition metals. Okay, next 13th one. Okay, 13th group is called boron family. Boron family. 14th group, carbon family. 14th group, carbon family. 15th group, nitrogen family. Nitrogen family. Okay, 16th group, oxygen family. Oxygen family, otherwise known as chalcogen family. Okay, CHAL, chalcogen family. Okay, 17th one, halogen family. 17th one, halogens family. Okay, 18th one, noble gases. Noble gases. Okay, 18th one what ma? Noble gases. Okay, the 18 groups, okay, it is divided into family. Okay, first group alkali metals, second group alkali earth metals, 3 to 12 groups transition metals, 13th one boron family, 14th one carbon family, 15th one nitrogen family, 16th one oxygen family or chalcogen family. Okay, 17th one halogen family, 18th one noble gases. Okay, so next class we will see the classification of elements into blocks. Okay, so already we know the electrons are present in the outermost cell of the outermost cell of where ma? Nucleus. Okay, around the nucleus. Okay, cells are there. Okay, the cells are nothing but what ma? Outermost cell. So based on this, okay, again the elements can be classified into block. Okay, S block element, P block element, D block element, and F block elements. Okay, these categories we will see in the next class. Okay, so today homework. Okay, so first question, just you have to listen. Okay, already we are following the continuous question number. Okay, you should follow first question. Okay, but in your classwork note, continuous question number should be given. Okay, define Mendeleev periodic law, full stop. Okay, list out the features of Mendeleev periodic table. Okay, next question, what are the limitations of Mendeleev's periodic table? Okay, next one, define modern periodic law. Define modern periodic law. Okay, next question, state features of modern periodic table. Okay, state features of what ma? Modern periodic table. List out the features of modern periodic table. Okay, so these are all the today's homework questions. Okay, so thank you children. Remaining part we will see in the next class. Okay, thank you.